Maayong adlaw. Nianaw sab kita sa atong programang Let's Talk with Jonas. Karong adlaw, ang atong guest usa ka model sa dakbayan sa Cagayan de Oro. Usa usab siya ka real estate agent. Ato paghisgutan na niya experience isip usa ka real estate agent o usa ka model. Atong i-welcome ang atong guest karong adlaw mga igsoon, si Miss Grace Salvacion. Hi Grace.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon and welcome to Let's Talk with Jonas.
Thank you for inviting me
Yeah,
over.
it's been a while that we didn't see each other. Mga alam ta
The
nagkita.
last time we saw each other was last week.
Yeah,
the
last week.
open
Yeah.
house.
Open house no sa Camellia Homes. Yeah. Grace, kumusta ang atong life?
Well, life is so tough, so hard nowadays, especially that I'm a single mother, but I'm okay. I'm doing good.
Yeah,
I'm great.
that's very great. I understand that you're also doing modeling, right?
Yeah,
so
a long
model-
time ago.
Long time ago. Where have you been actually? Sa Mugs?
Mags.
Kay
Mag Square.
Ka Mag Square. Okay. Daka siya sa model. Kumusta ang life sa modeling?
Well, not that grabe good modeling na model good. It was like only an experience.
Yeah. Single mom lagi pero grabe ka model.
Experience lang being what it's like to be a model, and then
Yes.
it was a great experience.
Yeah.
For me.
And of course, ang modeling dili magina maglong last
Yeah,
ba.
definitely.
Ay haragin siya pag may mga event,
Yeah.
may mga inana, nga mga klase nga mga events sa Limpit ka,
Yeah.
Gaisano, etc.
The most important
Pictorials modeling also, you do also pictorials modeling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tutorial.
But most of the time, fashion show.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I had the most wonderful time with Mugs. It was fun being with her.
Yeah,
She's so nice, so
yeah.
kind, and so sweet.
Yeah. Abigin rin ako mudagan siya pagka mayor sa Cagayan de Oro. Kaya she's very known actually.
She's into fashion man, so dili kay na siya into politics.
Yeah, I understand. Pero ang yang son is also joining into pageantry, di ba?
Yeah, recently I heard. Yeah. Murag nagali siya sa GMA. I think na siya murag kanang show.
Sabi sikat na gini si Mag. Anyway, Grace,
Anyway,
let's talk about the reality. I think that's the main purpose kung nga mag-istorya ta ni karon about sa reality.
Yeah.
Kumusta yung imong experience sa joining real estate?
actually, I'm just new here in this kind of industry.
Yeah.
So, sabaga, I'm still a baby. I'm still planting my plants, and you know, when you say starting,
Yeah.
medyo I'm
Mga pa pa lugar.
mga papa. So, I'm willing and open to discover and experience more,
Yeah.
and willing to learn, and then especially with my realtor.
Oh yeah, prime over reality.
Yeah, with Michael Maagad and his wife,
Yeah.
Rachel Maagad.
Oh, okay.
They've been my mentor, and they've been at my back ever since I started this industry.
Yeah, that's good. So, kumusta atong experience sa atong realty? Atong experience sa selling, atong experience sa prospecting, atong experience sa mga refusal. No, daghang kina nung experience. Kumusta yung experience sana?
So far, I'm the kind of person na outgoing. So I meet a lot of people in CDO. So
Yeah.
I've known a lot of people in CDO. So little by little, I'm introducing myself as an agent, and hopefully I'll be a licensed agent.
Wow, thank
And
you.
then that's it. You'd go from scratch, from the very beginning, na kanang, hi, hello,
Yeah.
introduce
Kumbaga,
myself, yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
Di na malikayan
Oh.
ko na. Gino, no?
so, kana gyud kana client. It's so hard. It's not easy being a realtor baya kay.
Yeah, it's not
Pero
easy.
kanang dili gid sa yun kay the
Yeah, I agree.
competition,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then especially nowadays na hard kayang life because of the fuel increase.
Yeah.
So people
It's because of the international dispute. Yeah. Mo na yun nakaproblema ta niya. Atong mga client usahay is medyo biskay okay na. Uy, medyo lisod man kayong panginabuhi karon i-hold lang sa.
It's so hard. So,
Ba, grabe kay lisod.
Yeah,
No,
so
no,
good.
no. Natin mga lubi kayo ko grabe ang atong mga listing okay na kaayo. Gabuhat na tag date of sale but suddenly nag-refuse ang
Yeah,
client,
correct.
ang buyer.
yeah.
No, lisod kayo.
Lisod gid.
Ang inyong case ninyo is okay ra mo or sa man kon gyapon kanang
Ako,
kumbate gyapon.
Sometimes mag-talk ni Rachel, my mentor, my ayun jud ko I'm giving up. Siya, no, don't give up because you're still starting. So, gaplan pa man ka. So, that's why. So, at the back of my mind, so, nagyo ko persistent karon na someday maka-close ko deal. Hopefully, God's willing. With your
Lagi.
help, guys,
Yeah, of
around.
course. We are here to help each other to succeed.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, lagi. Ang imong experience so far is gamay pa kayo because you're very new in the industry.
Yeah.
But somehow, of course, tanan magsugod magid sa
Sugod from
pinasinugdanan.
scratch.
Yeah, from scratch magid. Mabito na nga kumbaga na millionaire sa real estate. But this guy started at the very beginning gid
From
ba nga.
scratch.
But of course, through training, wala problema.
Experience.
Training, join ng training, and join po tag mga PKS, mga developer.
What's that PKS?
Product knowledge
Okay.
seminar o natin mga nana. So, kailangan na ito nga mahibalaan para, of course, halimbawa sa A-Brown o sa man ang mga project sa A-Brown na gi-launch. So, naa sila coral, naa sila bayanga, naa sila tikod. So, of course, joining them would also have to give us more knowledge and idea na din sila gipang launching ng mga project sa Pueblo, Development Corporation. You also have to do that, joining a lot of trainings and PKS by Pueblo. I think that would help us also. Imo experience rin sa Xavier State. I know that you're resident in Xavier State. Kumusta ang iyong experience sa selling sa mga...
Living here
Yeah.
or selling?
Selling. Yeah.
So far, most of the resident here owns magod the property na. They already bought a lot and so, but I always ask them na, you have relatives, so introduce me to your relatives, and then if you have referral, then let me know.
Pagpila ng balay diri, mahal na kayo?
Mahal na kayo. So far, the highest price is like about 35 million ang house. And then the lot alone, the prime lot, and then the ridge lot, and kanang prime lot is like 35,000 per square meter. And then ang mga katong mga lot na like that's the lowest price na 25,000 per square meter. So affordable ra kay siya for clients who wants to stay here and live here in Xavier Estates.
Ako, I think I have 9 listing here. Ridge lot and house and lot and lot. And then naasad ko listing sa Pueblo Business Park, nasa ko listing sa Pueblo Golf Course, mga fairway lot, nasa ko manana. But anyway, of course, we're looking for customers to...
You know what? I look up to you so high, good, because I know you from before, and then I cannot believe right now that you're here, very successful. So I look up to you. You're like a model to me, and I want to follow your footsteps someday, or right now, right at this point.
Thank you, Grace. And I think the first time that we met is during I managed La Tegola restaurant before, right? Way back in 2005, I think so.
I was still pregnant with my second child, I think.
I think it was your first child.
No, my second child.
Second child na to siya. Dagko na kasi nakaroon mo.
My first child, I had him in Manila. So, my second child.
College na?
Yeah. Actually, my first son, he's in the States already with my ex. And then he graduated in Seattle, USA. Wow, so right now he's doing great. He's professional and he's on his own and he's doing good. And I'm happy for him.
How many children do you have anyway?
I have 3.
3, gamay na kayo. Kulang pa kayo.
Sa imo, grabe 5. You have 5, right?
I have 6.
Oh my goodness. How did you manage that?
Well, anyway, kaon na sa gitag 3 times a day.
Hindi na 4 times a day.
Hindi na sa 4 times a day. Pero ako dili pwede mag 4 times a day. Kiko kay gutom ba ya?
With snacks and midnight snacks.
Yeah, with snacks and midnight snacks. I remember the days when we were first met in La Tegola before, di ba? Very casual, and then talk about life, talk about love life.
Yeah, and the next time I knew, you already had your car.
Yeah. Kaya dili mo jud ka. Kabalo man kita mga igsoon nga. Dili kita mo grow as individual if of course dili ka mangitag pamaagi mo diskarte ba kung baga. Kaya as we all know, pag empleyado lang ka, wala jud ka kapaignan. Kay sweldo biya, fixed ra biya imong imong monthly income di, imong weekly, imong every quincenas, tama na ka din na. So, that time I was already turning to 8 years old working. So, kain ko nga, okay, I need to go out and then look for my kung baga akong comfortness ba nga dili jud ko pwede mag-manager ko forever, dili jud ko pwede nga mag-manage ko company forever. So I really need to look up na I need to go out and then do business. So in there I learned nga okay, limited time, you manage your own time, manage your own finances, something like that. So much better than the employer. Okay, mas mahiman. But in your case, have you actually been into employment? Wala.
Yeah. Before I work as a medical representative under Unilab.
Nag-midrip ka?
Yeah. Also at AstraZeneca. And then I also work at the bank, BDO before.
Okay, nag-tailor sa ka.
Yeah. And then I gave up my career to focus on my children and stay at home mom.
Wow.
And I'm happy about my decision. But right now, since I'm not getting any younger, and then the Rachel convinced me to join the realty. So I'm more determined to focus and learn more about realty. And since baby pamanjit ko, so I need your help. And thank you for inviting me right now. So
actually, I'm also baby in the industry.
Really? You just started?
I just joined last year, last September or August. But of course, the sales is not new to me. So it's not hard for me to actually adapt the culture of the industry. So pag mo ni siya ang industry, akong giapilan, so automatically I will adapt. Nga inaano din pamagi ni mo din ni siya ang mga protocols, something like that. So it's easy for me to adapt. I wasn't having time of kanang kumbaga i-adapt ang culture sa isang industry. So from management, from restaurant, hotel and restaurant, to real estate. So grabe ako experience then. Of course, our also educational background has also helped me a lot about everything in sales. Di ba Xavier gyapon ka?
Yeah, Xavier.
Nasa ka nag-graduate Xavier?
1996.
1996, teka?
Why?
Murag muna pag first year na.
Oh my God. You mean to say I'm too old?
Wala ba? Pero murag bata man di ka.
Well, I don't look like my age.
Yeah, you don't look like my age. How old are you anyway?
Well, let's not talk about age.
Yeah, I think
Age.
You're 10 years younger than your age.
Oh,
You look
really?
like,
Yeah, always 10 years younger my age.
always 10 years younger than your age. Grabe, no? Right. So, of course, I was thinking na dugay na ka sa industry.
No, I just started like 2 months ago, to be exact.
Grabe, bago pag hiday kay ka di ay.
Yeah, bago pa jud kaayo. So if you're going to ask me about...
So mo join ka sa mga trainings and etc.
Yeah,
PKS
I'm
and
looking
etc.
forward to it. Actually, nanay mga schedule. We have scheduled with Rachel and Michael. So I'm just waiting for them. Because right now, they're busy also doing their stuff and their thing. So
Asan yung office?
actually, we don't have an office. Dili lang miga kita mi dili sa clubhouse. And then we go field work, which is very hot. I hate good.
Yeah.
To be exposed under the sun, but I bear the heat.
Nakoy pangutanan sa imo.
With the matching scarf and everything, with the umbrella.
Oh, susuro-suro sa mga kainitan ana.
As in, wala. And actually, I'm enjoying it. And I wouldn't be here right now if I don't intend to stay in this industry.
Yeah. Ang ako ba kay bago pa man ka sa real estate, 2 months, 3 months pa ka. Ang imong kids, ang imong youngest, how old?
She's 14 years old.
So, ang second
is like 17. I mean, 16 years old.
So, how did you manage the time now?
Well, actually, they're already grown up. So, they can take care of themselves. So, I told them, it's about time that you have to do your thing without mommy. So, mommy can do her thing. So, yeah.
Murag mangud siguro ni mga anak no.
Not like before na I'm hands-on 100% mother for them. Always with them, always all the time, tag along with each other, skirting around me. But right now they're already big enough to manage and handle themselves. So I'm confident that they can do it without me.
Pero naka-helper sa inyo balay?
Yeah, I have. I can't live without helper.
Abi na ikaw pa yung mga laba, ikaw pa yung mga milo, ikaw pa yung maglungag. Kapoy na kayo. Yeah, madaot atong beauty anak.
Ang beauty.
Lagi
Atong
no.
focus is to make a sale and then 10 years
Yeah.
younger always.
Yeah. Of course kay bago pa man ka mo join ka sa mga ibutang nato kana bitong mga licensing, for example, mo join ka sa mga PRC, kaya magpa-register.
Hopefully.
O magpa-license, something like that.
Well,
Ako, siguro, yes, maybe in the future, but not now.
Yeah, maybe in the future. But for now, probably licensed agent is enough.
Yeah.
I don't dream on too much broker, licensed broker.
Lagi. Oh. Ano naman siguro,
that's too much for me. So.
Yeah. Mag-seminar naman siguro na sa kanang mga real estate.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe in the future.
Yeah,
we'll never know.
Policy. We'll din tao ka ng PRC.
Yeah, I'm open to it. Anyway.
Yeah. Because DSOD is very strict now.
What's that?
Ang DSOD ka ng siya may gahold sa mga brokerage and agent. So, basically, ang ilang monitor anak ka nang namaligya ng mga sales agent na walay mga PRC. Naku, kinagmulta. That's Republic Act.
Really?
So, kailangan kita nga mo registered ka sa PRC.
So, am I okay to post without license? Or, anyway, I'm under Everprime.
Yeah, supposedly, dili po it's not nice nga practices, pero ang uban mong good nag-post sila, pero, kumbaga, on process ba? Ilang mga documentations like PRC, and NBI, mga anak, mo na yung mga requirements. So, mo-apply ka sa PRC, na naka-NBI, mo din transcript of records, tapos mo din seminar na sa CPD ni mo. Anyway, it takes time. But, of course, si Miss Gigi Rua is my guest for this coming Saturday. So, we're gonna have to talk a lot of things about real estate and brokerage because my God, I really adore her. She has 200% of knowledge in the industry. And, kumbaga, memorize na niya magkaunsa-unsang problema.
Today, you interview the baby in this industry and pioneering industry.
And the mother.
And the mother of this industry.
But I am very excited to have an interview with her this Saturday.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. And then I'm looking forward also, seeing her because I will learn a lot of things from her. Grace, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
And
always welcome.
I'm happy to see you. Kalimut ko, nakita man kita last week ba? Pamilya.
Ayaw palata sa edad, be.
Samog ka.
Ay palata sa edad.
Samog ka kayo. Nakabanto ko lang, Liya, naman si open, si Love, naman si open house di ay.
Yeah.
Kita man kita last week. And,
with Rachel.
With Rachel, yeah.
Anyway.
Again, thank you.
Salamat
you so
sa
imong time. Thank you very much. Guys, muna ito ang atong guest na to si Miss Grace Salvacion. Give some insights of her life story and her experience also in real estate and also in modeling. All right, so thank you very much. I hope you will continue to share, like, and follow my page. Let's Talk with Jonas. Good afternoon. Thank you.
Tera?
Yeah.
At least natural, kahit wala dito scripted.
Yeah.
More natural conversation.